Welcome to CouponBet, the travel agency organizer. And in this video, I have a specific question for you. Imagine you have a customer and the customer asks you to call them back on their phone number which starts with 0925. So my question is, do you know which telecom network that is? And if you don't, no worries. With CouponBet, we can find this in a matter of seconds. So first of all, to figure that out, just log in on CouponBet, and once you're logged in, you see here the dashboard section. And once you're on the dashboard, just go to the tools area. On the tools tab, you will see every tool right now available on CouponBet. So we have to scroll down all to the bottom. And in the bottom, you can see the provider prefix checker, and that is exactly what we need. What we need to know is we need to know which network provider the prefix 0925 has. So let's type in 0925, and there you are. You can see this is a Sun cellular network. So from now on, you know exactly with which phone you have to call your customer. And this is really how CouponBet works. It is really designed to help you organize your travel agency. If you like tools like this and you want to have CouponBet for your travel agency, just go to couponbet.com and register right away.